both there?
Yeah.
Oh. What's the button?
Oh, where are we?
Press the button.
Oh, because it must not out.
What colour are you both?
I'm light purple.
I'm dark blue.
I'm
Yeah, I'm
purple.
covering all your red.
Why? My wall.
I'm covering my wall.
Who was?
That's
Oh, you're upset?
Go there. I've still got some sticks.
I've got 167 coins.
Good for you. I already died.
Yeah, not like you.
I died in the first 3 seconds.
Oh, why am I red? Ew.
Oh. Oh.
Go on, Bailey.
No. Well done, Bailey. Well
I got
done.
those invisible armor.
Well done.
I pressed the button. Oh,
What is
drink
this this drink?
Oh, Bailey's drinking it.
yeah.
Bailey,
I didn't do anything.
your health's very low.
I think that's from the last challenge. I think that's from the drink. Let's press the button again.
You're the button presser.
Oh, I'm playing Rainbow.
Oh, yeah.
Rainbow.
I don't see no
Yeah,
rainbow.
Nothing happened to me.
Nothing happened for me either. I didn't see no rainbow. What rainbow? Tsunami.
I'm playing Rainbow. Oh, the cuts. I'm cuts. I don't know how to use the computer. Guys, oh.
You just got the ladder.
I don't know how to use the computer.
Uppy, uppy, up, up,
Oh,
up.
I made it. Let's go.
I'm almost there. Oh,
Did it.
attacked.
That's that famous last word.
I'm almost there, guys.
That was a bit
Going down.
stupid.
Bro.
I can't scream. That's so annoying.
Jumping.
No.
Jump. Ow.
Oh.
Why did I listen to him?
Anyway, how dare you? You just killed me.
Nah, I didn't. You killed it.
What?
Wait, I think we spawned on it. I think we spawned right next to each other, so we killed each other.
Yeah. Which one of you killed me?
I died.
I died.
I died. We all died at the same time, so I think we all killed each other at the same time. I've got to admit, I went for Marley.
Got to admit, I just spawned in and died.
I don't believe you, Bailey.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Oh, press the button. No.
Who's the pumpkin monster?
Pumpkin monster.
Cheeseburger.
Bailey. What the? Oh, it's me.
Yes. Cheeseburger. I already died.
I killed you.
I'm still alive, guys.
Yeah.
Right, where are you? Right, Marley, where are you? Oh.
Just what? No.
Get back here.
Oh.
No.
Get back here.
I thought it was a bit unfair. Why does they run so fast?
Real, that's still not fair.
Haha.
Oh.
Got ya.
5 times faster than the average Roblox player.
Real.
Sorry. I hope I can be forgiven.
Yeah, so.
Where did you get the cheese burger from?
Oh, I bought it.
I
It's like in the shop.
Also get pizza or hot food. Oh.
I've got 6, 7 coins.
I've got 2 more people left. Oh.
Cheeseburger.
What's your obsession with that burger?
What?
Oh my god.
I don't have a sword. What you...
Oh, I don't have a saw.
I'm just standing.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah. I watched that.
fucking murder.
Murder!
Powerful, guys.
Marley, where the hell are
I'm
you?
getting
And Noah.
I'm getting back. I'm getting murder flashbacks. When you
Murder.
screamed murder all the time.
Wait, I just fell out the floor. Hey guys.
Oh,
Oh, this reminds me of like an Epic Mini Games game.
they should play Epic mini games.
Oh my god, yeah, I love that game.
Tonight, I forgot about what's happening.
What?
Is it actually?
Like an actual real life blood moon tonight.
No way.
My friend said, "Do you want to play a horror game on the blood moon?" So, oh, that's a good peak idea right there.
Getting my phone up for pictures.
Oh, yes,
so
we made
easy. We
it.
should go on Epic mini game. I'll do a video on Epic mini game.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.